Bonjour beauties! Okay. Okay, so I just got home from acting class and I came home to these two boxes that I have been dying to arrive. And there's two, one from Soko Glam and then one from Unframe. And I've been like, I'm super excited about these packages because they're both like beauty related and I've been dying to y'all will find out in just a moment, but they're both kind of like semi-opened, and then I thought about it. I was like, wait, this is a content opportunity. So I was like, let me do an unboxing vid because we all love that, right? But yeah, so I guess like let's just get started. So for the first one, because it's pretty much open already, which is so the first package, which is fully opened pretty much, is from Unframe. They're like a beauty brand and right now they only have eyeliners, but seriously it is like the best eyeliner I've ever used. Shout out to Jamie K. Waxman for influencing me on this purchase and sharing her wisdom, because seriously these are amazing, and like the brand ethos and like ethics and morals is so on point. They're all about sustainability and like destroying like the old traditional beauty standards. Like the control of it is just so perfect, and it's like not sensitive and it just glides on so perfectly. And like look at it, I mean like I'll do a little macro shot, but like it's so cute and like so clean looking. I don't know. And their brushes for their eyeliners are made in Japan by like kabuki brush makers, and so it's like super smooth and like the control of it is just on point, literally. And also the biggest thing I have with eyeliners is like after a couple hours it starts to smudge under my eyes and then I start to look like a panda, but this does not do that. But it comes off with like warm water, so it's like really easy and you don't have to like use extra chemicals, you know, on your face or whatever. And so the maintenance for this is super minimum, which I love. And I honestly don't rave about many things in life, but this is like one of the few things that I'm like, yes, go buy this. This is an amazing product. And it's really affordable. It's like $16. And I just get the black one, but it comes in like, they have like 14 different colors, I believe, which are all, yeah, really, really awesome. So yeah, I'm super excited to have this back. I like had one earlier, but then I lost it and I was really sad about it. I think I might have like left it in LA or something, but yeah. So next is this shipment from Soko Glam. And for those who don't know, Soko Glam is a retailer who has like their own beauty line, and I use their beauty water, which is amazing beauty dubs. All of the products that they carry are from like from South Korea. They're basically bringing South Korean beauty brands over to the US, or making it accessible to like, I guess, the US and like the world, just because Koreans are known for having amazing skincare products. And so I finally got paid like the other week, and so I needed to like really change up my skin routine, just because like my last one was a little bit like weird and funky, and I'm like, okay, I need to stop using these products. And so after doing some research and like looking at like all the brands that they carry and what it is that I want and like need, I dwindled it down to 4 because that's all I could kind of afford at the moment. So I'm like super excited about this, and it's another reason why I've been kind of holding off on doing a skincare routine video, just because that has actually been in demand from some people, actually quite a few people. But my skin was kind of reacting weird to my last routine, and so I kind of wanted to not do it because I didn't want to like promote those products if like I was reacting strangely. But anyways, we'll see how these ones react. But let's get to the unboxing, which I semi-opened already. Okay. So much tape. So, first thing, they gave me a free sample of this Vanilla Co. High by Vita Peel Clear Pad. It's a microfiber peeling pad soaked in 14 vitamins. That's a lot of vitamins. Packaging is recyclable. I guess we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Oh. And then the first thing, okay, sorry, my camera's battery died. So the first product is the Triple C Lightening Liquid, which is a vitamin C serum. And I'm super excited about this one because it's supposed to help hydrate your skin, but also illuminate it as well. And like keep it like nice and bright and look alive and fresh. You know, especially like during the winter season or fall season when the sun isn't out as much, it's just like our skin can tend to start to look a little dull from like the lack of vitamin C and like also, or not vitamin C, vitamin D, and just, you know, from being inside all the time and like the dry weather. So I'm really excited about this one. Probably will only sport it during the evening. But oh, let's open it. Comes with a little droplet thing. And there's a thingy. Yeah. So next. Oh, next is the Aquel Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. And this I'm super excited about because I've been using the Soko Glam Beauty water, which I love, but since like my skin was kind of like reacting really strangely to the products I was using during my last regimen, I wanted to switch it up a little bit just to see if maybe the beauty water was causing it, but I don't think it was the beauty water. I'm pretty sure. This product is apparently, it's a Korean traditional dermo cosmetic brand for stressed and sensitive skin. And I have sensitive skin and I am always stressed. Perfect. Life problem solved. But basically this will daily pH balancing toner that uses licorice root water to hydrate skin and refine skin texture by removing dead skin cells and impurities. But it got like really good reviews on Soko Glam, so fingers crossed. The Lightening Liquid Vitamin C Serum also got really good reviews as well. And of course, everything I bought is going to be linked below. And ooh, next one is the, what is the name of it? Ellen Cilia CPP. Basically, it's a collagen intensive eye cream. Anti-wrinkling and energizing and nutrition for your under eyes specifically. And like I really have been looking for something from like an eye cream or eye serum just because, let's be real, we are getting older every single day and I want to prevent my face from like sagging or discoloration as soon as possible so that I have more of my life to enjoy youthful beauty. So I don't have to resort to, you know, drinking baby's blood every morning. But this one I'm really excited about just because my under eyes have been pretty bad. I'll let y'all know how this goes too. This was one of Soko Glam's Best of K-Beauty for 2019, so should be good. Oh, I should open it. It's pretty small, so it's this. I know it's not gonna focus because my camera's old, but 80% collagen, formula with gold. Ooh, fancy. Right. On to the last item. It is this Etude House collagen face lotion or moisturizer. And you know, collagen right now for me is super important because I am getting older and like I want to help maintain what I have and like prevent any more like breakage or damage in my skin so that in the future like it doesn't like my recovery doesn't get like slower and slower or like weaker and weaker, if that makes sense. But yeah, especially now that like I'm starting to do a lot more on camera work. I know this sounds a little vain, but like it's important to like keep, you know, my face in good condition for as long as I can, because unfortunately this work that I'm venturing into, you know, a lot of your value is your face and look. So just trying to take care of that with this, help take care of it. I've been needing a new moisturizer, and so I saw this one. I was like, oh, this could be perfect. And I know this one was a best K-beauty winner on Soko Glam, but I think maybe it was like 2016 or something. And so this one should be good as well. And so for this one, it is a tiny particle of a super collagen water and baobab water. Endless provide moisture and leave the skin bouncy and jelly feel. We shall see. So this is this. I know it's like you know, Etude House is like a biggish brand in Korea. Ta-da! Look how cute. I can't even like do that. Cool, I'm excited. Oh. It smells nice. Refreshing. Anywho, that's all gonna be recycled. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using these items, especially with like the newer dryer season coming in, and seeing how these work, because these products overall seem a little bit more hydrating than my last regimen. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna look like a fresh baby, honey. Also to mention, everything I got is like pretty affordable. Like, so for these 4 products, I spent around like $70 something, which isn't that bad. These are like special products in comparison to like drugstore products. They're a little bit more well thought out, or like a little bit more specific with what they're targeting. And I think as you get older, you kind of have to pay more attention to what it is that your like skin and face needs. But yeah, it's not like, it's all pretty, you know, affordable. It's not like I'm buying like La Mer or like SK2. Like, that is insane. So that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching my unboxing video, my first unboxing video. And I will have a review for all of y'all soon once I start using them. And maybe they will have a place in my upcoming skincare routine. We shall see, time will tell. But till next time, I'll see y'all later. Au revoir.